Vertex Guy, and in today's video we are going to be I am happy to show my OS with quotation marks. It doesn't have a lot of programs, and basically it's only on Python, so I made this on Python free, except for one application. I'm going to show you. So here's my files, and as you can see, this is all the Python files, all the programs and all the stuff. Let's read the README. To run, let me minimize this. To run KateOS, run kate.py, which is actually now main.py. And the username is Kate and the password is tacos. I don't know why I choose tacos, I just like tacos. So let's get started. As you can see, I put text big because it uses text. It's a text-based operating system. So Python 3, and let's do main.py, which is actually supposed to be the first one. So booting up KateOS. Starting all processes. Welcome to KateOS. What is your username? My username's Kate. My password's tacos. Logging in. And right now it just switched to a different Python file. And it quit this Python file. So now this is no longer running. This is a new Python file. So there's a dice, a game, a text editor, and a calculator. And then what do you want to put in? What do you want to do? Put in shutdown to shutdown. So let's do dice. Dice was rolling, and it's a 2. I don't want to quit. Okay, how about calculator? Okay, welcome to my math program. I'm pretty sure you already saw this already, so please enter 2 numbers for your math equation and put a space between them. 5 and 5. How about just a bunch of numbers? A bunch of 9s, and let's multiply. And that's a big number, but that's my answer. Let's quit. Thank you for using this program. Press, okay, so we did the calculator, and here's one of my favorite programs, the text editor. Sometimes it doesn't work, I don't know why, but I called it Charlotte. So welcome to Charlotte. What do you want to name it? How about I name it Excuse me, I gotta sneeze. Excuse me, thank you. Okay. I want to put in, hi, my name is the text guy, and I'm a small YouTuber. Okay, I'm gonna quit. So get this. The crazy thing about it is I actually created something, and sometimes it does it, and sometimes it doesn't put it in. But I tried this before with friends, and yeah, it's not gonna work. Oh well, sometimes it does, but let's try my favorite, the most favorite. Rock, paper, scissors. And let me, I forgot to tell you this, but all of the code was made by me, except for this rock, paper, scissors. I didn't do this. Somebody else said online or whatever, from a website. I got this from a website, this rock, paper, scissors. I did everything else from my own hands, with my own research and my own banging my head to the floor because it didn't work. And my own syntax errors with why is there syntax errors with me trying to put else in, even with the colon? Okay, let's do rock. And yes, there is a randomizer in here. When? Oh, yay, what? What about paper? It's a tie. How about rock? It's a tie. Stop getting rocks. Okay, stop getting rocks. Stop getting ties. I won, yes! Wait, why did I put 8? Okay, so it's a tie. So I got 2 wins and 4 ties and 0 losses. So I'm gonna quit. There's dice, game. So now one of the important programs. Well, how do you shut it down? And it says here to shut down, you have to put shut down. And it says shutting down, and it's actually killing all the programs. And I don't know why this happens, and I don't know why it happens twice, but yeah. So that's all for today's video. Hope you guys like it. If you did, smash that like button, and Merry Christmas, and we'll see you all next time. Bye!